Hello everyone, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see Wipro WILP 2021 recruitment details. Let's get into the video. So, Work Integrated Learning Program 2021 WILP 2021 is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCA and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India sponsored by Wipro. This is a great opportunity for BSc and BCA students. Wipro is offering very excellent opportunity. Utilize this opportunity to build your career in Wipro. So here are the qualification details. You should be 10th class passed. And 12th class passed. Also, in graduation, you must have 60% or 6.0 CGPA above as applicable by the universities. So coming to year of passing, only 2021 batch students are eligible. 2019 and 20 batch students are not eligible. Please note that only 2021 batch students are eligible for this recruitment drive. Okay, here are the qualifications. BCA, BSc are eligible. So in BSc, these are the streams like computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics, and physics. These stream students are eligible to apply for this Wipro WILP 2021. Okay. So these are the other criteria which Wipro has mentioned for WILP 2021. So mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. So please note this clearly. You should have studied core mathematics in your graduation, then only you are eligible to apply for this drive. Check the second point here. Business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. So business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. So one more important thing, maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. Between 10th and graduation, only 3 years of education gap is allowed. And no gaps are allowed in graduation. In graduation, there should be any gap. You should complete your you should have completed your graduation within 3 years of time. Okay. So education should be regular, full time. Only in 10th, 12th and graduation recognized by any university or central state governments of India. Okay. So few more eligibility criteria here. All arrears and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. While attending the selection process, you must have cleared arrears or any backlogs which you have in your graduation. Okay. Should be an Indian citizen. Only Indian citizens are eligible to apply for this drive. If you are from Bhutan and Nepal, you need to submit citizenship certificates, then only you are eligible to apply for this drive. Candidates who have in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. Make sure you have not attended any recruitment drive held by Wipro in the past 3 months, then only you are eligible to apply for this Wipro WILP 2021. So here are the stipend details for the students. For the first year, you will get 15,000 plus 488 ESI, and for the second year, you will get 17,000 rupees plus 553 ESI, and third year onwards, you will get 19,000 plus 618 ESI, and from fourth year onwards, you will get 23,000 rupees as stipend. So here is the selection process. Like every recruitment drive, here also there is some selection process that is common for every interview. That is written examination, next that is online assessment, and next technical interview, and finally HR interview. Let's get into the online assessment details. See, the total online assessment is conducted in 80 minutes. Here are the complete details of Wipro WILP online assessment. So it has various sections like verbal. You will be having 20 questions. You should complete this section within 20 minutes. Coming to analytical, you have 20 questions, 20 minutes. Similarly, quantitative aptitude also 20 questions, 20 minutes. And the last one, written communication test. So the written communication test is of for 20 minutes. That means they will give some topic on which we have to write some kind of content within 20 minutes. This test is completely to check your writing capabilities or communication capabilities in English. Okay. So coming to last date details. So 10th December 2020 is the last day to apply for Wipro WILP 2021. So online assessment will be tentatively held between 14th to 18th December 2020. That means they may conduct this online assessment between 14th and 18th December. So the dates are not yet finalized. That's why they have clearly mentioned tentatively. So please check freshersnow.com for getting exact dates of this recruitment drive. Okay. So these are the last date and online assessment dates. So finally, how to apply for this Wipro WILP 2021. So just check freshersnow.com/Wipro/WILP 2021. Open this link and check complete details. At the end of this article, you will be getting exact link to apply for Wipro WILP 2021. We are providing this link in the description below. Just scroll down and check the description, click on that link and apply for Wipro WILP 2021. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Freshers Now YouTube channel for more learning and placement videos. Thank you.